front of almost everyone we love most in the entire world. Not naive, untested kids, but two people who have seen each other through the hardest times of our lives, who have really seen the worst in each other when we're mad and when we're sad and when we're stubborn. But I've also gotten to see the best side of you and be the one to see you when you're laughing so hard that tears are running down your face, or when you're proud, or when you're accomplishing something that's important to you. Part of me really still can't believe I'm the one that gets to marry you and stumble through this life together. I will be your sounding board and try my best to be the best, to help you be the best version of yourself. I will be tough on you when you need it, but I'll be tough for you when you need that. I will be your partner in parenthood, your ally in conflict, your greatest fan, your travel companion, and your to-do list writer.
I think that you should get some rest. I knew I loved you then, but you never know. So you played it cool and I was scared to let it go.
I promise to be a visual representation for our kids. What does it look like to be a man and uphold you and honor you? To show a visual representation of what it's like to respect you and to listen to you and to follow through. To show our son what it's like to be present, and to show our daughter what she should be looking for in a man in the future. I vow to be honest with you, honor and respect you, and to fight with you through tough times as one unit and a team. To encourage your new ideas and appreciate when you do the same for me. Appreciate you when you do the same for me. Also, if I missed anything that's important to you, far from perfect, but my imperfections forces me to lean on the man upstairs. So, in due time, I promise that the ones that I miss, I'll get it together.